Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. Today I have a tea subscription box. It's new for me. It is Simply Loose Leaf Tea Company. So this subscription is about $13.58 a month. Now I prepay for 3 months and it comes to $44. With like a lot of subscriptions, if you prepay ahead of time, 3, 6, 9, 12 months, it gets cheaper per month. So I went for the 3-month option. Now all in, it was $52.97. It is $2.99 for shipping, and depending on which state you live in, if tax is applied. Now, this subscription, they select unique teas that explore different varieties of loose leaf tea. You receive up to 4. So it's not 4 every time. It might be 2, it might be 3. Different varieties of pouches of premium loose leaf tea in each month. Each pouch will have about a ½ ounce of tea, which comes out to about 6 to 7 cups. Now for me, that's going to be more because I leave my tea bag in the cup and then I will add more water on top of that tea bag. So I'll get 2 cups of tea. That's how I do it. It's about 6 to 7 cups of single steeped tea. The simple loose leaf tea makes a great gift for any tea lover that wants to explore loose leaf tea. So let's see what I got inside. Now I do have to make an admission. I did open the box ahead of time and I tried a cup of tea so that I could give you a little bit of a testimonial. And I did enjoy it. I really did. Okay. So here is the card. Andrew and Nicholas of the Simple Loose Leaf Tea Company. Now, when I was reading this card, I did find something on here that I really liked, and that was their heroes help support a partnership with a local developmental workplace that provides employment to members of our community that have developmental disabilities. Now, I almost had a hard time with that word. These wonderful people are provided a safe and understanding environment that allows them to be themselves and have the support they need to flourish. I really like that. The next thing is another little art print here, but on the back is a sun sea tea recipe. You can take a screenshot of that if you like. See if you'd like to make some tea. So the first one, now this is the one I tried. I tried the blood orange this morning. There we go. With rooibos, I think I'm saying that right. Orange peel, hibiscus, rose hips, apple pieces, safflowers, and rose petals. It's a nice, they consider this an herbal tea. It'll brew hot, cold, iced, and everything in between. And I really did like this. Now, with this subscription, you do get reusable little tea bags because it is a loose leaf tea. And I don't have one of those little tiny steepers, so I'm glad I received these. I did use it. Everything worked great. And then I received a Blue Lady Grey, a lighter take on the classic Earl Grey style of teas. Yeah. So I received this tea, reusable bags, a recipe, and information about the company that gives back. So I like that. So that was my new tea subscription. I did enjoy my cup of tea. I hope you enjoy yours. And I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you soon.